This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
The same objective speed. He just sent it.
Especially in colleges. Why don't we go out to Dennis in California? Hey Dennis, how you doing?
Not bad. So my point, one thing I talked about was, when we're looking at colleges now, if they're really introspective, there can be a silver lining here. For decades, they've been producing a mass-produced version of education. And now the students are able to turn the tables and say, hey, you're giving mass-produced education? I'll give you mass-produced answers. So if they're able to analyze and go, how do we get around that, this could really change education for the benefit of all. And to a couple points you addressed there quickly.
But okay, whatever, I guess. What the f was that? That's straight! I'm going straight! I'm not in the wrong lane, am I?
No.
I think the whole stream is in unison, basically confirming what you're saying. Okay. If you go back and listen to what you were saying, you were actually saying in real time, no way.
Yeah, I was. I'm still absolutely flabbergasted that the market hasn't said, you know what? This is a confidence game, and we are not as confident in the multiple that we should be applying to.
Do you feel that you disappointed someone this morning?
No, it is her who likes me. The part of the family part. I understand that. I idiot, but I stuck with it. However, I would not take years off my life for my dog. I just wouldn't. I'm sorry, or anybody else in the family should do that. That's where I draw the line.
Hey, Larry, so the 56% of people who would
Oh boy.
a time of their life to extend their pet's life.
Hey, I got a dash cam. Okay, thank you. Want to come with me to like right here?
Protecting the harvest. Time and again it has been approved by the EPA and by leading regulatory bodies around the world. It helps enable practices that reduce erosion and keep soil healthy, which is good for the earth. Farming's hard, but it's a little easier with glyphosate. Learn more at go.bayer.com/glyphosate. Paid for by Bayer.
Hey guys, Glover here for my friends. You listen to the show. Big fan of Zero Res. They have been a supporter years now, which I hope means something. That when you guys have decisions to make on you can clean your carpet,
you're the people that cause the you are the people that cause the you are
carpeting deep $75 off your do all types of flooring. We have a
really not smart of the bus driver. That was a really not smart move on the bus driver. He went into the total...
उसने भगाए कि इसने भगाए?
इसने ये जा रहे थे और उसने एकदम से लेफ्ट उसको लगा कि टच हो जाएगा बट अभी पीछे रखो थोड़ी सी ओके
Oh my God! Did you see that? Yeah, just blew right past us on the side. Got places to be, I guess.
Why do we have to have stuff inside of us? Why can't we just be one solid? You know? I don't like this. I don't like thinking about stuff like that.
Oh my God.
Some 24 years as the pastor of rough seafaring men in a church on the seashore.
Oh my goodness. Say that shit.
She's like evil Fox News Sansa Stark. It's weird.
Carmelo Anthony doesn't matter. That's a different.
Sorry, just to be clear, you just said to me you use the N-word regularly. In what context? Do you use it with black people?
Yes, if it's appropriate.
When would it be appropriate to use the N-word? When would it be appropriate?
Anytime I feel like it.
So you're an unashamed racist.
Correct.
Cinema. This is the
I don't have room.
First time in maybe 5 years that
I don't have room.
Has experienced
I don't have
an erection.
I don't have room.
Clearly.
I don't have room. I don't have room. No. I don't. I'm not gonna do it. The hell are you doing? Hey, careful with the door. I have it in reverse.
They have it.
Yeah, I have it in reverse. Careful with the door. Jesus Christ. The f are you even trying? Dumbass. Jesus